Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display you're getting an E73 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what the error is that the dryer is detecting a failure with the inlet thermistor, which is basically the thermostat, the temperature thing that measures the temperature on the air coming into the dryer. And so there are really kind of one of two things that could be happening here, one of two kind of, let's say, main culprits. One is there could be some loose, damaged, disconnected wiring to the thermistor. So you want to check the wiring and replace or repair or reconnect any wiring as necessary. But if it's not that, then you're going to want to just go ahead and replace the thermistor, which is both not that expensive and not that hard to do. So if you decide to do that, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description both to where you can get a thermistor and a tutorial in terms of how to replace the thermistor.